what's up, you guys? Savage Rice here. I had to delete some of my videos because it was showing the slash thing, but I don't know.
Slash thing.
That said 9 minutes and 38 seconds.
No, 3 minutes and 23 seconds.
Wait, it changed?
Uh-huh.
Goes back to normal?
Yeah, it's back to
Yeah,
normal.
it's back to normal now. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Fine.
We're going on a bike ride
Yeah.
around town for a little bit. Do your video.
Wait, do you have any corners? So I don't get a pop?
Yeah, you have $1. You can buy pop.
Wait, I do?
Yeah. In your wallet. No, I don't think you spent it. And so, guys, I have $3 in pennies because if you guys seen on Facebook, there's a house in Grafton that these people got evicted from,
And you found 120 something pennies.
No, and
Yeah, because you counted.
yeah, but I found way more than that. And
I see you counted.
anyways, me, my mom, and my brother Justice went there because Jackson, being a butthead, didn't want to stay at our mom's house.
Shut up.
And we went there, and we found a bunch of good stuff. And my mom found a comic book, and it's worth $30.
No, I think my dad said 38.
$39.
Is that the right amount?
Yeah, and
But why still be connected to Wi-Fi?
you don't need Wi-Fi for video, just a normal phone video. And then I found 274 pennies.
Wait, is that how much you found?
Yeah. And then I had some other pennies that I put into it to make 300. So I have $3 in pennies. So I have $10 in
gift card too.
Yeah, I have so I have $10 in bills and change. So if I spend $1, I still have $1 in pennies. So yeah. And then yesterday at Hy-Vee when we were going to, because the boys had the doctor's appointments and we had school pictures and stuff.
You say no. I'm gonna see if I still have my dollar.
And I found a Hy-Vee gift card in the parking lot. And my dad called the number on the back of the gift card, and it was $2.74. So yeah, I'm pretty lucky. I don't know what else to say. That's actually nothing. Just walking around my trampoline. And I'm gonna turn it. You guys are gonna go wee. Let's see if it flipped. Yep, it flipped. I think. Right? I don't know. It's messed up. It's not my fault. I didn't do it. Sorry if it's a little goofy. The quality. Because Jackson's hopefully getting a new phone for Christmas or something. Or for another holiday that comes up. Because our birthday was August 11th. Just a few weeks ago. And we turned 11. So, yeah. Sorry I'm not looking at you guys. I'm spacing out and talking. I'm doing this. I'm walking around the trampoline. I don't know why. Getting an exercise. Let's go see Jackson. Let's go see where he's at. That's my dad's room. Can you guys see? I can't see. Man, if only his window was open. His phone case is open. I think he's over here. Being sneaky. I seen him, so I'm running away. No!
Come back here!
No.
You don't play it.
Nothing.
I don't have my doll.
You don't?
No.
Thought it was in your wallet.
I think I spent it somewhere.
Where's that fake money?
What fake money?
I know where it's at.
Fake money?
I'm sitting on the trailer hitch.
You have fake money?
Yes.
That one will. That one will.
Yeah, well.
So, what do you want to do for the rest of your video?
They'll give me it.
Want to go around town and want to go around town riding bikes?
No. Give me it.
Are you gonna finish it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Back up.
Film just is on the lawnmower. It has 14 horsepower. How long is it?
It's 8 minutes.
And Buddhist.
Buddhist.
And
Hey, you want to film giving Buddhist a walk? Real quick.
yeah, come here.
Buddhist, want to go for a walk?
Come here.
Buddhist, want to go for a walk? Watch out.
Wait,
Want to go for a walk?
that was seriously walk?
Want to go for a walk? Well, guys, we'll pick up when we're taking them for a walk. So, yeah. So, guys, walking the dog. As you can tell, he's already out of breath because he's crazy about walks. This way. Ugh. Come on. See, we're not even out of the driveway yet and he's already dead. Okay. You want to walk him or you want to film?
Oh. No, it's at 16%. It's just. What is it? Is it zoomed in? Nope. I actually want to try that.
Hey. Hey.
It's just.
Calm down. I know.
Maybe we can try. Sis, battery low. Connect to a power outlet to charge the device and exit.
Is it recording still?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do it a quick one. Come on. Come on.
Maybe we can try that when we get back. Sis.
His phone's dying. We need to do this. We might end it halfway through the walk. So, kind of giving you a tour of our town around the block, I guess.
360.
This is our street. This is one street, or is it down? Oh,
Look at the sign. That's a Ford, that's a Chevy, that's a mailbox, that's a house. There's Sissy's butt. There's Sissy's ponytail.
what kind of plant is that?
I don't know, weed plant? I don't know.
A weed plant.
There's weeds going on that roof, guys. Look. Look at that weed. No, keep it on the mailbox. Wait, sis, let me sniff. Sis, maybe we can. What? Do I actually have enough change to do it? Maybe without acting down, maybe we can go run up there with. Huh?
I was talking to this.
Maybe we can do it when we get back. That house is so beautiful. It should put Link in an old garage. Surprising that fits. Can I end it at 10%?
Okay, so, guys.
Guys, I hope you enjoy this video.
Hold on.
I'll see you guys
Real soon in the next video.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So peace and roll outro.